Hey, what's up guys, RC and SC here today, and what we're going to do is a video tutorial on how to build this little 1S toothpick. Guys, this is the HX100SC frame. I'm using the Mobulus 6 flight controller, Runcam Nano 3 that is made for this flight controller. We're also using the Beta FPV 1102 13,500 kV motors. Guys, I'm going to take you through this step by step, every single step. We're going to do it in less than 3 minutes. There's no soldering. Everything just plugs in and screws together. So guys, if you've been wanting to build a quad and you're scared to solder, this is the build for you. Let's get started. Well guys, there you go. It's pretty easy. At this point, all the thing you need to do is hook it up to Betaflight, get your mode set, your OSD, get all that right, hook it up to BO Heli, go ahead and get your motor direction right, bind it up, you're ready to fly. Guys, I hope you'll give this a try. I appreciate you watching. If you're not already subscribed, please think about doing that. How about hit that like button on the way out? That's all I got for you today, guys. We'll see you in the next one.